Just a quick video, unboxing video. I've just bought the Nilfisk Titan X. Not sure the actual name of it. I'll put it in the description. It's 120 bar. In the box, you get the pressure washer, you get a little patio cleaner, handle, gun. It's got a nice grip feel to it. Feels like it's good quality. Various attachments. Spray bottle attachment. Cleaning brush. A couple other little bits and bobs. I think this is like an angled one. Loads of other little pieces. I think this is for the reel that sits on top. There's the unit, 120 bar, 8 meter length, 1400 watt, water flow, 440 litres per hour, pressure, 120 bar. I think you can attach this to a water butt as well. Got a little scrubby thing. So, comes in a box. I think that just spins around. Comes in a box. At the moment, it's the Nilfisk jigsaw puzzle. So, yeah, all feels good quality. There's the hose. From the looks of it, that goes around on top of there. Need to put the wheels on and build this. So this is just my unboxing video. This is everything that you get in the box. Spray bottle. Imagine that slots on there or something. Don't know. Or something screws on. Don't know. Haven't used it yet. All looks pretty good quality. And put a link in the description to Amazon if you wanted to read up about it. I'll probably do another video showing it in action. So this is just basically the unboxing, showing you what sort of things you get in the box. And oh, have a quick look at this. It's in the bag at the moment, but you can basically see on-off switch. I think there's some sort of gauge there as well. What was it? So here it is. You've got your on-off switch there. Nicely covered in like a waterproof plastic. All feels quite robust and strong. There's the unit. Haven't put the wheels on yet. Bottom. Apparently the engine housing or the internal components are all good quality. Metal casing. Supposed to be quite strong material. Feels solid. Nice and compact. It's a nice colour blue. Blacks are nice. Plug. Have a look at the plug. Yep. There's a plug. The Titan Extra. So, hose goes on the bottom. It's got some clippy bits on the side. I think you can slot bits and bobs in. That slots in there like that. And that piece slots on the top like that, so you can get a feel for the size. Just got to put the wheels on and put it together, and then I'll do one final video showing you what it looks like as all one piece. give you a quick look at the instruction manual. Just takes you through different things, how to hold it, the different nozzles. It's got pressure. You can adjust the pressure with the with this piece. So obviously not high pressure when you're washing the car. Lower the pressure. Different ways of using it. So you can put it in a bucket. You want to have a filter on the end of the hose so stuff don't get in the pressure washer. Different attachments, how to clean it, how to use it, how to plug it in, how to hold your nozzle and your hose, how to rinse out use some pliers. Don't know, figure that out soon. Different attachments and the different bits and bobs that it comes with. On this side, how to put it together. So you've got the top bit which you need to screw on and make the wheels, click them in, add them in, and yeah, put it together, put it on tap. I don't know what this is for. Some springy tension rod thing. Don't know if that's supposed to go somewhere. Not seeing it anywhere in the instructions what that's for. So I don't know. Yeah. Basic precautions. Don't spray animals. I'm not sure what the other one is. Or children. Here is the finished, here it is built. Took about 15 minutes. Basically 2 screws, one there, that clipped in, well, it clipped together, screw there, handle clipped in, this side it clipped in as well. On the back, the brackets for the wheels was 1 screw either side, and they just clipped in. And the wheels just clipped onto that. These pieces, I'm not sure where they go. I don't think it's designed to hold everything that comes in the box. And so this is this bit. This was a tricky one to figure out what to do with this cable, but I think what it is you're not really supposed to have it screwed in to the actual unit before you coil it up, so you're supposed to undo it each time. But yeah, all pretty easy to put together. It's quite simple. The little pin, which wasn't sure what was for, is actually used to clean. There you go. Just something to poke down the hole, really, of the attachments, just to get any dirt and debris out. So it's really just a pin just to poke down those. Spray bottle, I thought a bit went on the end there, but looking at the kit it doesn't, so that just clips in there and it just sprays out the end here, and it all just sits so you can sort of see it all in one piece. And there it is. Got the different attachments on the side, plugs, bottles, the lance, quite a nice trigger action to this. And this is the coil to keep everything tidy. And there you go.